How to stake and earn on Coinbase. First of all, open Coinbase on your device. Then you can see this option of My Assets. You can explore your assets or tap on any of these assets. So go ahead and tap on this option of My Assets and tap on Cryptos. Then tap on Explore All Cryptos and select your asset. Then you can see the option of Buy and Sell. Go ahead and tap on Buy and Sell. Go ahead and proceed to buy the crypto with cash, or else you can use any other options like convert as well. So you can just go ahead and go to buy and start buying the crypto. After you're done buying the crypto, you can now store it and sell it whenever you want, and this way you can stake on certain blockchains and certain cryptos and certain bitcoins on the Coinbase account, and you can earn a passive or active income from it as well. So guys, I hope this video about how to stake on Coinbase was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.